Students, now let us see the problem based on ionization enthalpy. That is the very first problem is there. This problem has been taken from Narayana NEET book, class 11th. So what is problem, student? Ionization potential does not depends upon. Okay, so student, ionization potential when you are studying IE, that is generally is depend on the 3 4 factor. First one is the size is there. Okay, second one is Z effective is there. Okay, student, and third is when you are talking about screening effect also there, that is screening effect also it is there, screening effect. Okay, so you can check it out, student, what are the fact there is there. Nuclear charge means that is Z effective, you can consider it out. This is type of electron. Okay, so it does depends on types of electron like S electron, P electron, D electron, and F electron. Atomic side, it does depend. Types of bonding in crystal, on bonding ionization enthalpy does not depend, student. So our required answer is option number 4. Now let us move, student. Problem number 88. Ionization potential of phosphorus is greater than that of sulfur. Okay, phosphorus, that is phosphorus, and then this is sulfur. Of phosphorus, when you are phosphorus to sulfur, you are going, student. No, phosphorus is sulfur. No, so this is whenever you are going phosphorus to sulfur. So phosphorus configuration, if you see 15 and this is having 16. So this phosphorus is, if you are saying that is valence shell configuration, this is half fill configuration. Half fill means this is a stable configuration. And if you are talking about sulfur, student, so sulfur is neither half fill nor full fill. This is configuration. In the valence shell of sulfur, better you can come little in detail, student. We can do in the detailing. Phosphorus, you see phosphorus 15. So you can do 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, 3s2, 3p, 3. This is there 2, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 3, 15. So valence shell configuration, you see, student, this is the completely filled and this is the half filled. So this is the stable configuration, student. Removing the electron from this configuration is very difficult. So I is high, this that is high IE, high IE. But when you are talking about sulfur, student, when you are talking about sulfur 16, so what is configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6. Then they are 3s2, 3p, 4. So student, here is s2, there is no problem. But when you are coming for the p orbital, here you see how many electrons are there? 4 electrons. So this configuration is unstable. This configuration is unstable. Neither half filled nor full filled, unstable. So that is what that is low IE, low ionization enthalpy. So low IE means when you are talking about the correct option for this, student, so that is stable half fill configuration. So half fill orbital are more stable. So correct option is option number 4. Okay, now let us move the option number 9. Ionization potential is lowest form. Student, that is left to right, left to right. Okay, left to right. IE increases, IE, ionization energy increases. Now we have to understand which group is where. So extremely left side, what is there? Left side, that is alkali metals are there, alkali metals. And when you are going right side, student, left side alkali metal. When you are going right side, student, what are there? Noble gas. Okay, noble gases. So that is which one is having the high ionization enthalpy? Alkali metals. So correct option will be option number 4. See, student, if IE1, IE2, IE3, etc. present the successive ionization potential of an atom, then the correct order is, so student, that is, third IE is always greater than second IE, is always greater than first IE. Ionization enthalpy means removing the electron. Removing first electron is easy, second electron is difficult, and third electron is most difficult. So amount of energy, okay, required to remove the electron is, that is I is greater than I2. So correct option will be option number 3, student. Okay, now let us move question number, this is the 91. What is the correct order of ionization enthalpy? Correct order of ionization enthalpy, student. So group, they are the group, group number 13. These elements are group number 13. How can you be able to solve this, student? Let us see. So whenever you are trying to understand student group number 13 elements, okay, so this is the very much exceptional, okay, this is the exceptional configuration. So what are there student when you are talking boron, aluminum, gallium, then indium, and then thallium is there. So dear student, always keep in mind, here is the after the gallium, before gallium there is a d block elements are there. Okay, so what will happen, it has an it has the ionization enthalpy, you know almost similar to aluminum, okay, not more. So they see aluminum is having 801, okay, kilocalorie per mole. This is 577, this is 579, 588, and this is 589. Dear student, if you are trying to understand this figure, 577 and 579, or 588 and 558, not 88 student, this is 5, 5, this is 558, 558. So these two figures are almost same. So when you are arranging this student, how can you arrange? So 801 is there, 801. After that 801 is much more getter, much getter than 577, 579, means which one will come student? Gallium will come. So how can we write that? Is you write the aluminum 577, this is the boron, this is we are writing aluminum, but this aluminum is lesser than, lesser than, or you can say equal to, almost same, 577, 579 is gallium, and gallium is 558, so gallium is more than what? Indium. Okay, gallium is more than indium, okay, and indium is more than the tellurium, thallium, Tl. So what would be boron? This is gallium, indium, thallium. So you check it out, which is the correct answer student. Boron, you see boron is there. Boron is, this case is wrong extremely. So these three cases we have to check. Boron is greater than aluminum. Okay, all are the same. Gallium, this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong, because gallium almost equal to, so these two times sign we take. Then indium, gallium is, what will happen? Gallium is more than indium. So gallium should be, this is wrong. So gallium is more than indium. And then tellurium. Tellurium, how much is there student? 589. Okay, so this is reverse side, this is 589, this is reverse side. So correct option will be option number 1 student. Okay, 91, option number 1. You have to go, check, if you want to understand this more, check NCERT, check NCERT. Okay, NCERT 11th, class 11th, check NCERT class 11th, group 13 element, group 13, it is there student. Next heading you go student, 92. The correct order of decreasing second ionization enthalpy of lithium, beryllium, neon, carbon, boron. This is also quite easy only student. If you are talking about lithium, beryllium, okay, I am erasing some of the portion of this question student for the better understanding. Okay, now let us see student. So boron, beryllium, neon, carbon, nitrogen is there, carbon, boron is there. Okay, so lithium is, if you are first, they are talking about second IE student. Okay, so first IE means lithium plus, beryllium plus, then neon plus will be there, carbon plus will be there, boron plus will be there. In this case, what is the configuration? These are the first IE. So what is configuration? 1s2, 1s2 will be there, stable configuration, right? Then beryllium is there students. So beryllium, what is there? This will be 1s2, 2s1, okay, 1s2, 2s1. So here will be the 1 electron in valence shell. Neon will be also, it will be 1s2, 2p5, carbon 1s2, 2p, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, carbon 2p1. Here is the 1s2, 2s2 is there. And boron, if you are going 1s2, Now 5 electron are there, now 4, 1s2, 2s2. So you see student, there is so many places there is a valency is there. So left to right when you are moving student, when you are moving left to right, okay. So ionization enthalpy, what is happening, ionization enthalpy left to right, IE increases, IE increases. So student, firstly which have the highest IE, lithium is more stable and the 1s is only there, more closer to nucleus. So the highest will be lithium, okay. And then what will be coming, neon, because left to right increases, neon. Then what will come student, boron will come, then carbon will come, and then that is beryllium is come. Lithium, why I am student, because 1s electron is there, more close to nucleus, so more attraction force will be there. So lithium, neon, boron, carbon, beryllium. So what could be the our option student, if you are talking about the option lithium, neon, boron, carbon, beryllium, option number 4 will be correct option student. Now let us move the next problem. Problem number 93. In which of the following element has the highest value of ionization enthalpy, okay. So top to bottom, top to bottom, okay, top to bottom in D block, okay, D block, IE increases, okay, IE increases. So what are the element are there student, titanium is there, zirconium is there, and hafnium. So top to bottom increases means hafnium must be very high. So required option is option number 3. Okay, now next one. Which of the following process refers to the ionization enthalpy? So ionization enthalpy, what is there student? Removing of electron from isolated gaseous atom. So isolated gaseous atom, these this is not the solid. These three are there, isolated gaseous atom, not aqueous solution, okay. So two option are wrong. This is the gaseous atom, this is gaseous. Adding electron, no student, removing electron. So correct option will be option number 3. So 94, option number 3. Next one, the element with highest ionization potential is, the element with highest ionization in potential is, that is oxygen. Highest means that is stable configuration should be there. So nitrogen is having more stable, helium is there completely field stable, okay. So neon is also, but oxygen cannot be. So neon is also filled, but top to bottom when you are going, IE increases, IE decreases. So that is nitrogen cannot be our answer, helium will be our answer, because helium is here, and then neon will come, okay. So it is having the highest IE. So 95, option number 3 is correct. Next one, question number, in the long form periodic table, elements with low ionization potential are present in long form periodic table, elements with low ionization potential are, okay. So long form periodic table, lowest means that is whatever the left side is there student, left, and this is the right. So left side when you are coming, low IE, low, low IE, and here is high IE, okay, high IE, low IE and high IE. अब student low high means that is alkali metal is there, alkali metals. Here is what is, it will come, that is noble gases, okay. अब now student, alkali metal means, what is alkali metal means first A group, noble means 0. So correct option will be first A, means option number A1 is correct student. Next one, okay. So what is 97? As atomic number of element increases, the IP value of elements of the same period increases with some exception. Option number 2 will be correct student, because some nitrogen, oxygen is having some of the exception, otherwise the left to right increases. Thank you so much for watching friend. The next question we will do in the next video lecture. Thank you so much for watching.